Welcome to SkipperBud's. My name is Mike. Today we're taking a look at the 2022 Barletta Corsa 23Q. So as we work our way back, you can see the dark gray interior that this boat features with the dark gray accents as well. Nice thing about the Corsa, it has the inset cup holders you have with the nice accent with the grab handle and also the speaker grate as well. So very, very nice appointed high back, very comfy plush interior. If you look by my feet, unique to the Corsa versus the Cabrio, you have anchor storage in the floor in the third tube. It's very nice. You don't have to bring your wet anchor, rope, and chain into the cockpit of the boat to get everything wet inside of your storage compartments. So as we kind of work our way back through this boat, you'll start to see what the Q stands for in Barletta speak. It's quad lounge. So there's two loungers in the front, two loungers rear facing in the back, and in the Q layout, the standard flip-flop seat for the passenger. So it's very nice depending on if you want to face and talk to the captain or forward in the boat, or face the back and talk to anybody in the back. So looking at the helm, standard raised helm in the Corsa. Upgrade to have the Simrad flush mounted, as well as you have your standard Hertz audio as well. So very, very nice automotive style helm. You feel like you're in the cockpit of a car or an airplane. Just very, very nice, very luxurious helm in this Barletta. You also see the throttle. This is a 200 horsepower motor on this Tri-Toon. It does feature digital throttling control. Very, very smooth. There's no clunking like in typical mechanical fashion. And there's also a docking mode, which is very nice because you can vary your RPM to kind of reduce your ability to kind of crank and make a mistake in the boat. Another great feature about Barletta, this is a standard with a power Bimini, so it's not an upgrade. Every boat has a power Bimini. The push of a button, the power goes up and down. So great benefit with this specific Barletta boat. We kind of look forward, we see our in-floor storage, which is very nice. It drains out through the bilge. You can put all your wet vests, your skis, your ropes all down there so that you're not bringing, again, all that wet stuff into the cockpit of the boat. You also see something very unique to Barletta as well. For those pet owners out there, you have your doggy docu door, so your pets can actually see through the gate into the water so they don't freak out. The same thing is you have your dish as well for your furry friends. Last, as we kind of work our way back through, and what makes this boat specific and nice to Barletta, this boat does feature 26-inch pontoon logs. So a little bit heavier than some of the other boats on the market, and even the Barletta Cabrio, but it's a very, very nice ride, very, very smooth. It's kind of riding in a Cadillac versus in a Chevrolet or a Buick, so it's definitely built like a tank, but it's a very, very smooth, quiet ride. Great benefit back here on the back side of the boat. Huge swim deck for everybody involved, plenty of room to jump off, get back on the boat. Again, very unique to the Barletta lineup. Great boat to come check out. I encourage it. It's sitting here in our Pewaukee showroom clean and ready to go. Look forward to seeing you.